Welcome back to another thrilling episode of Reviving the History on Raza's Library. I'm your host, Raza, and today we continue our exploration of failed inventions. If you enjoyed our previous episode, get ready for part 2 of the top failed inventions in history. So, grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's dive right in. Our first failed invention takes us back to the 1950s when the Ford Motor Company introduced the Edsel. Marketed as the car of the future, the Edsel was met with high expectations but unfortunately faced a major setback. It suffered from design flaws, poor quality control, and a mismatch between consumer preferences and its features. Despite a massive marketing campaign, the Edsel failed to captivate buyers and is remembered as one of the biggest automotive flops in history. Moving on, let's talk about the Segway, a two-wheeled personal transportation device that was expected to revolutionize urban mobility. Invented by Dean Kamen and unveiled in 2001, the Segway promised an innovative way to navigate cities with ease. However, despite early hype and celebrity endorsements, the Segway failed to find a significant market. High pricing, limited utility, and safety concerns hindered its widespread adoption, making it more of a niche product than a transportation revolution. Next up, we delve into the world of nuclear power with the infamous Chernobyl disaster. In 1986, the Chernobyl nuclear power plant in Ukraine suffered a catastrophic meltdown, resulting in the release of radioactive materials and a devastating environmental and humanitarian impact. The Chernobyl disaster serves as a stark reminder of the dangers associated with nuclear energy and the importance of safety protocols in the quest for technological advancement. Let's shift gears to the realm of consumer electronics and explore the story of the Betamax. Developed by Sony in the 1970s, the Betamax was a videotape format designed for home entertainment. Despite its superior video quality, the Betamax faced fierce competition from VHS, another videotape format. Due to various factors such as longer recording times and strategic marketing, VHS emerged as the dominant format, leading to the eventual demise of Betamax and highlighting the critical role of format wars in determining the success of technologies. And before we wrap up, let's add one more intriguing failed invention to our list. Brace yourselves for the extraordinary tale of the flying Pinto. In the 1970s, a daring inventor named Henry Smolinski sought to combine the convenience of a car with the thrill of flying. He created a hybrid vehicle by attaching wings and a tail to a Ford Pinto, aptly named the Flying Pinto. Unfortunately, during a test flight in 1973, the wings detached from the car, resulting in a tragic accident that claimed the lives of Smolinski and his co-pilot. This ill-fated invention serves as a cautionary reminder of the complexities and risks involved in merging different modes of transportation. And there you have it. More remarkable examples of failed inventions that have left their mark on history. These stories remind us that even the most promising ideas can falter, and success is not guaranteed in the world of innovation. Thank you for joining me on this captivating journey through the annals of failed inventions. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Raza's Library for more exciting episodes of Reviving the History.